Hello everyone, welcome to the Insightful ED. Today I'll show you how you can install a WordPress theme step by step. A theme defines the style and design for your website. So let's get started. First, you go to the dashboard, and after the dashboard, click the appearance. From the appearance, you click the themes, and then click add theme. Now here you have multiple free themes available in the WordPress theme directory. Now you can select any of the themes you want to use. So I'm installing the Hello Elementor. So click install. So after the installation is done, click activate. So now your theme is active, and previously I had this 2025 theme. So the design was this. So now I'll just click the website to refresh, and now my design is changed depending on the theme I have chosen. So I hope you understand how you can install a theme in the WordPress. Next video will learn how you can add a plugin to add the new functionality to your website.